Our topic today is kitchen and bathroom fittings. Let's talk about the bathtub fittings. So your bathtub fittings start with the tub faucet. That includes both the spout and also the tub controls, which are the valve and the handle. All right. You also need a tub drain and the overflow. If you have a tub shower combo, you'll need to add to your list the diverter and the shower head. If you need the shower only, we'll talk about that later. You'll have, instead of the tub valve with controls, you'll have a shower valve with controls. Similar to kitchen and bathroom sink faucets, the major difference between bathtub faucet types is the way that they're mounted. And there's three major types: freestanding, deck mount, and wall mount. The freestanding is also called floor-mounted faucets. They are anchored to the floor. They extend up and over the rim of a bathtub. The deck mount is up mounted to the upper rim of the bathtub and requires pre-drilled holes. Or you can install a deck-mounted tub filler or tub faucet outside of the tub on a surrounding platform. And you'll see a picture of that in just a second. Finally, we have a wall-mounted bathtub faucet. You mount next to the bathtub on the wall. All right. It doesn't need any faucet holes in the tub itself. And just as a FYI, the freestanding and the deck mount require you to be able to access the plumbing from under the floor. All right, to install this. The wall mount does not. So if you've got a concrete slab floor or something where you can't get under there, the wall mount faucet is the best choice. You'll want to carefully match your bathtub faucet with your tub type. All right. And those are generally fall into the categories of alcove, undermount or top mount, and freestanding. So here we have an image of a freestanding bathtub sitting in a platform, all right, and it's got deck mounted fittings. You can see those right here. With alcove bathtubs, the wall-mounted faucets are standard, very typical. All right, and here's one right here. Here's the alcove bathtub, and here is the wall-mounted faucet. All right, here's the tub spout, and here is the valve inside the wall and the controls and the handle that we see right here. Here we have another option. This is a three-hole basically, but you don't need to have any pre-drilled holes. Here we have the tub spout and the hot and cold controls. With an undermount or a top mount, also called drop-in bathtub, you can have a deck-mounted or a wall-mounted bathtub faucet. And here's an example of an undermount tub. You can see the edge of the countertop right there. And here is a deck-mounted three-hole faucet. On the other side, we have a top-mounted or drop-in tub, kind of sitting on a platform, and then they've built up an edge around it, a little wall around it for this particular one. And we have a wall-mounted three-hole faucet. Freestanding tubs can have a wall-mounted bathroom faucet if you've got a wall close enough. And here's an example right here. Some of these tubs come with pre-drilled holes for a deck-mounted faucet. You can see here's an example. You can also build a platform next to it, just like we've got a wall next to the other one, and install a deck-mounted faucet right there. Or here is a floor-mounted filler system. In this video, we talked about bathtub fittings and all the different ways you can fill your tub up with water.